Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're going to make reduced calorie grilled Reubens. It's nothing too hard. It's quick, simple. Now I'm going to be using the Healthy Life white bread, 35 calories a slice, which cuts your grilled Reuben back by about, at least 100 calories each sandwich. Some parquet, bread, throw that on, slice on. Now we're using the Budden corned beef. There we go. I kind of fold it over and stuff so it looks like you're actually getting more than what you really are. Now some people use Russian dressing, some people use Thousand Island dressing. Like I said, we're trying to do a little reduced calorie. Walmart Skinny Girl. Look it up, they have a bunch of different flavors. We're going to be using a sugar-free dressing, the Honey Dijon. Swiss cheese. That's one slice is 80 calories. This 2 tablespoons is 10 calories. Got sauerkraut. 2 tablespoons is 5 calories. Pretty much next to nothing. Put some on there. Don't worry about being all nice and neat about it. There you go. Slice of bread. A little bit of salad dressing. Move it around. A little bit of salad dressing. Move it around. Okay. Close your lid. Give it about a minute or so. Okay, it's been about a minute. Lift your lid. Give it a couple minutes. Okay, it's been a couple minutes. Now I just flipped those over so you can see the other side of them when I was grilling them. And you can use any kind of salad dressing you want. There we go. go ahead and cut one open. There you go. Quick, easy, cheap. I might have, I don't know, $2, $3 in this at the most. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed this. Do me a favor, click on the subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.